man. It's a very big secret.
Business and entrepreneur oriented. I think that
There are one or two more things. That's okay.
Yeah.
But the I
Thank
had
you
a,
so
I had
much
a,
for sharing that. Last question. This is my favorite question, but I am very biased. What does the fight against mediocrity mean to you? Mediocrity is what I'm fighting. I'm sorry if I led you to believe it was just a catchy slogan. Mediocrity is a sin against your potential. So let me ask you this. What does the fight against mediocrity mean to you?
Kid, I just want to be normal, Mom. I just want to be normal. The parents would just be like, we don't do normal here. We do abnormal. You want to be seen as a little bit crazy? You want to be seen as a little bit weird? Man, that's an exciting life.
You have two choices in life. The first is taking action towards your goals. The second is just taking whatever life gives you. Which are you going to choose?
One of my favorite quotes goes like this. There's two types of people in this world, those who act and those who get acted upon.
Fighting mediocrity is a never-ending battle.
What people have to start realizing is you never make it. Like, you're always going to fight while you're on this earth.
Success is easy if easy means being consistent every day. Success is quick if quick is 10 years.
They want to make $1 million overnight, be able to drive Lamborghinis and never work. But why not? If you really want to make $1 million, commit to making 100 calls every single day.
The fight against mediocrity starts in your mind when you start testing your limits.
It's always, how much can I stretch myself? How much can I actually grow? Like, if this is the one life I have to live, how far can I go, man?
You know, Goggins says it the best. If you're the same today as you were yesterday, you're worse.
Cody, I just want that one thing. Tell me the one thing that can 10x my money. I'm like, there's none. Small step, baby step every day. And then a year from now, no one can catch you.
When time runs out, will you be proud of what you did with your time here on Earth?
It's death, right? Whether it's medically, financially, economically, it doesn't matter. Stagnation is death. Waking up one day near the end of my life and realizing that you didn't do as much as you could, that's really scary, right? Because at that point, there's nothing you can do. That's it. Time's run out.
Success requires being hated by those who accept the status quo.
No matter what, I want to put myself in a position where the majority of the human race doesn't love me. Do you think most people live up to their potential? The answer is no. So if you want to live up to your potential, you can't be like most people.
God's plan doesn't include the word average.
Hey, come down to this earth and like go be like everybody else. God didn't put us here to be average.
In today's world, you have no excuse not to be successful.
So we'd go to like a Chinese restaurant. He'd go, look at that guy. And he was like a friend of my dad's or whatever. He goes, that dude, the guy has 3 businesses, barely speaks in English. He's an immigrant to this country. My dad would look at me and say, you have no excuse not to be successful in this country.
If someone says you're crazy, just know that every person before you that changed the world was crazy too. Today can be the first day of a new you. Just decide.